guys, it's Vicky and Aussie and Charlie. Welcome back to our little place for happy things and thoughts. As you can tell, Charlie back there is not so happy. He is in the cone of shame because unfortunately this week his little boy parts went snippety snip. So please wish him a speedy recovery because he is having a miserable time in that cone right now. But anyways, that is not what this video is about. In this week's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some super easy, fun, and yummy treats for your dogs, and that is dog ice cream or popsicles or pupsicles, whatever it is you wanna call them. As you guys know, I love making treats for my pets. Summer is right around the corner. It's starting to feel really warm over here in LA. So I decided to make some nice, cool treats for my pups. And that's what I'm gonna show you how to do today too. So without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. To make the doggy ice cream, you will need 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, stick treats for dogs. This is optional. You can use popsicle sticks here if you'd like, although I like using the treats because they can eat that part too. 1 banana and small paper cups. I found these at the Dollar Tree. You can use regular cups if you'd like, although I'll show you why I like using these in just a bit. Okay, so taking all of your ingredients, which include the yogurt, peanut butter, and banana, you are going to pour them into a food processor or a blender and blend them away. And as you can see, Charlie was in the background in his cone of shame, very interested in the peanut butter. Actually, Aussie was too. You can see his tail in the background. Look at that, just walking on by. All right, so once your mixture is ready, take your small cups and line them up, and you are ready to pour the mixture in. You can fill it in halfway through or 3/4 of the way, which is what I did. And then once you are done pouring them in, you are going to set them in the freezer and let that chill for about 1 hour to 45 minutes. You don't want it to get completely hard. I waited for about 45 minutes. It really depends on your freezer. And then once it's chilled and it's halfway through being frozen, you are going to take your doggy treats and stick them through. If you were to do this earlier, they would just flop to the side, but since you waited, they stay in place. Once that is done, finish freezing your treats and you are donezos. Your doggy ice creams, or pupsicles as I like to call them, are ready. What I like about using these cups is that you can just peel them right off and they're ready for your doggy to eat. And they make for a nice portion. By the way, I made 6 popsicles with this recipe. As you can tell, my puperoos love them. Look at Aussie's face. When he makes his eyes small and squinty like that, you can tell he really loves it. Look at him with all that ice cream all over his nose. Charlie really liked him too. He got a break from the cone of shame to enjoy some nice ice cream. Oh, little baby. And he ate the sticks too. Look at that. He just loves it. Yum, 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 yum. And that's really it. As you can tell, my pups love them, so I hope that your doggies love them too and you have fun making these. And yeah, that's it. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment down below if there's anything you'd like me to see or make on this channel. And if you haven't already, you know the drill. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on more videos like this one. I'd love to see you back on here. And yeah, sending you guys all a really big virtual hug as always. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to keep dreaming, keep doing, and I will see you guys next time.